All right, here we go. 17-18 Upper Deck the Cup single box break number 7. First thing we are going to do here is randomize the list of participants. Everybody on here in the requested spot numbers. Get to focus. There we go. So John at spot 1. All the way down to John, who also had spot 31. Going to randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Run through that quickly. Right. And we'll do the teams. You got all 31 NHL teams on your alphabetical order, starting with the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. This quickly. Just going to copy paste those lists in my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. One moment, please. Hey, Hardy Ducks got Edmonton, C. Forsyth, Anaheim, Lords Forever, Ottawa, Tom John Jen, Tampa Bay, Hee-Haw, Dallas, C. Forsyth, New York Rangers, T. Pocklington, Philadelphia, Dale, Florida, Nords, Pittsburgh, Hockey House, Arizona, Jackie, Columbus, Nords, San Jose, Craig, Montreal, Jackie, Colorado, Jackie, Carolina, Iowa, New Jersey, Randinner, Boston, Minnesota, Nords, Chicago, LV, Las Vegas, John, Los Angeles and Toronto and Washington, Hee-Haw, New York Islanders and Buffalo, Alvy, St. Louis, Craig, Nashville, C. Fritz, Winnipeg, C. Forsyth, Vancouver, Hockey House, Calgary, and Hee-Haw, Detroit. Put 1 minute up on the board for trades if anybody would like to trade their team. Now it's time to do so. Actually, Brian, are you the only one in the break in the room? I think so. I guess we'll just crack it. Good luck, everybody. This is our last break of the night. Posted a bunch of new stuff for next week. If you want to check it out, more chronology, Series 2 bargain break, and SP Authentic posted for next week as well. Probably get some other stuff up too later next week. Start off with the base 202-249 for San Jose, Brent Burns. The rookie patch auto 88-249 for Los Angeles, Michael Amadio. Signature material 10-99. This will go to Florida, Vincent Trocheck. Got a Brilliance auto for St. Louis, Bill Husso. Exquisite Rookie Auto Patch, Exquisite Rookie Auto Shield, Uncut Redemption Sheet. These bad boys, be randomizing this out between everybody. I haven't hit any uncut sheets from 17-18. So everyone's going to get a shot at this one. And up the last 26 of 249. Let's go to the Islanders, Sebastian Aho. Alright, let me just set up at random. So we'll be doing it by team. Just pull up my list here. Alright, so we got all 31 NHL teams on here, alphabetical order, starting at the Anaheim Ducks, all the way down to Winnipeg. Randomize it 3 times. Whoever's up on top, spot 1, is going to get it. 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to go to Columbus. And here we go. Cup box break number 7 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.